In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your iCloud settings are grayed out on your iPhone. So you can see at the top of my settings window that I currently can't click on my iCloud settings as this is currently grayed out and it won't let me click on the option. So to go and fix this issue, we first need to open up the settings application. And the first thing we're going to try doing is just turning on airplane mode, leaving this on for 5 to 6 seconds, and then you can turn it back off like so. And sometimes just doing this simple step can go and solve that issue. Now, if that doesn't work, then just scroll down this list and click on screen time from the list of options. Scroll down again and click on content and privacy restrictions. And you want to make sure that this option at the very top here is turned off and disabled. If you already have this disabled, then you can try toggling it on and then turning it back off like so. Now, once you've done this, come back over to the previous settings page. And if you scroll right to the top, you should now be able to click on your iCloud settings. Now, if that's still not working, then just come back over to the main settings page, scroll down and click on general from the list, scroll down again and click on VPN and device management, and you just need to ensure that you're currently not connected to any VPNs. So you can see on mine at the top here it says not connected, so just make sure that's also the same for you. And if you do have any profiles displaying in your VPN and device management section, then you can actually just try deleting these and once again heading back over to the settings page, and you can check to see now if you can go and click on your iCloud settings. Now, the last solution, if you've tried all of these steps and it's still not working, is to come back down to general and click on this, click on software update, and just ensure that you're running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes if you're running outdated software, this can also be the cause of this grayed out screen. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.